Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing. However, it is a fashion unboxing for the first time in a little while. I think the past two unboxings have been like otaku unboxings, which I love, don't get me wrong. But it's time for a little fashion unboxing. So I can't even say recently. Back in February, I ordered 3 things from Chrissa Sparkles, shop Chrissa Sparkles. If you're in the kawaii community, you've probably seen her on Instagram. And I decided to pull the plug on 3 of her collection items from February, which only now just shipped, which is a long time, but I'm like, small independent artists, we gotta support them. Sometimes it takes some time, and that is okay. I actually ordered something with my friend and we split the shipping, so technically I've already seen what's in the box, and it's actually already the package, but I thought I would show it to you guys. So here's the big box that it came in. Honestly, I think she probably could have used a smaller one. I'm getting a little bit of Amazon vibes. You know, Amazon put in like a tiny little thing in a big box. She probably could have used a smaller box, but whatever. I'm just happy it got to me safe and sound, so let's get started. So first up, we have this sweater. Now, I'm sure many of you have seen this sweater before. It is like a plaid heart type beautiful pink sweater, and it is like a dress on me. It is huge, and this is the small, okay? That's the tease, sis. So it has got her tag, which is massive. Oh my gosh, that's a massive tag. That's also going to be really itchy, so that is coming off. However, I bet you could I could scrapbook that. That'd be like a cute little scrapbook moment. But the sleeveys are cuffed at the end, and same with the bottom. It's got that same part all the way down the bottom. I will put up a little video of me wearing them right here as well. But this is so nice. This is such a nice sweater. So I don't think she actually like knits them herself. I'm pretty sure she gets them made by a factory, but it is nice quality. So I am super, super happy with it. There is no loose threads. It is super cute. It's gonna keep me warm. Probably won't wear it much right now because we are going into summer. However, it's been like really cold recently. Emphasis on why I'm wearing a sweater right now. Like, it's June and it was like rainy and freezing the other day. So like, hurry up, summer weather, I need you. All right, next up we have the like confetti sweater. It is actually a turtleneck, and the turtleneck is like massive. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to roll that down, but it is so cute. How could I not get this sweater? It is so cute. She's actually thinking of doing, I believe, cropped sweaters as well. I'm not as much of like a crop top person as much as I was like back in high school, but I do like the actual sweater. And again, it has got little cuffed at the ends of the sleeveys, and down at the bottom it's not as cuffed, but it's got just a little bit there. But I love this pattern. I think it's so cute and so fun and like retro-y. I don't know, it's just like fun. It's like party-y, and I just love it. And of course the tag is in here somewhere. The giant itchy, there it is, that giant itchy tag. Like, just because it's like, it's sparkly, I know it's gonna itch, so I'm like, that's gotta go, it's gotta go. And again, I got this in a small. This one actually looks small. This one is definitely more of a sweater and not a sweater dress compared to the last one. My mom could actually probably fit this though, so my mom actually, I showed my mom and she's like, oh, perhaps we can share. And I'm like, perhaps we can. My mom is so adorable, so of course I'll let her borrow the sweaters if she so wishes to choose to wear them. But I mean, she's not much of a sweater person because she gets too toasty, but this is so cute. I love big baggy sleeves. I just think they're super cozy, and then I can like do this but a lot easier and just stay all cozy in my sweater. But this is so cute, and again, quality fantastic. The manufacturer that she's got is obviously knows what they're doing. It's a nice thick chunky sweater, so we love. All right, and last but not least is the heart cardigan, which has been throwing fluffs everywhere. This is so cute. It is massive. Oh my gosh. Again, this is the small, and I'm like, this is gonna be a dress on me, but I love it and I'm ready. It is so thick and so chunky, and the arm sleeveys are humongous. We've got the little cuffs to keep our arms nice and toasty. We've got pink buttons. I feel like she could have like done heart buttons. That would have like thrown it over the top, but like whatever. I'm not complaining. At least they actually go with the sweater, unlike another sweater that I own, and it's like all pastel, and then the buttons are like black, and I'm like, that needs to go. So anyways, I digress. Tag, giant itchy tag that's gotta go. This is super, super cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at the pattern. Look at that pattern. This is so cute. This is literally like a dress on me. This almost goes down to my knees. This is like a smock. Oh my gosh, like a Snuggie. Does anyone remember Snuggies before, what is it called? The Oodie or whatever? There's now like the wearable blanket one that you guys might have seen in a few days, but like, remember the Snuggie or whatever? The wearable blanket? So basically a robe backwards. Whoever trademarketed that probably made millions. Anyways, yes, back onto this. This is so cute. I am so excited to style this and wear this with really cute outfits because it's really soft, and more gonna be seeing it in the winter months. You probably won't see a lot of this in the summer. Actually, you know what? I wear cardigans inside all the time, so like, who knows? But this is really cute and I love it, and I'm very excited and I'm very happy that it's here and it arrived safely, so yes. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I do have a few more unboxings coming your way soon, but I am going to try and stagger those out, and I do have the giveaway, which I'm planning to announce next month. I'm just finalizing a few things, but that is all I have for this video. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!